So the Apple Card is truly more than just a credit card. Let me explain what I mean. Ever since I've been using the Apple Card a lot more, I have noticed that it's making me more financially smart. And that's because Apple's very transparent in the way that they set up the Apple Wallet. So that's why I say the Apple Card is more than just a credit card, because most credit cards, they want you just to spend, not pay it, pay the fees, keep making payments, and that's pretty much what a huge majority of Americans are doing. They have so much credit card and consumer debt, they don't know what to do anymore. They're making payments constantly, they're carrying balances constantly. And see, with the Apple Card, you really can't do that because Apple tells you exactly how much you need to pay and when can you pay, and you can make multiple payments. You want to make 5 or 10 payments in a month, you can do it with the Apple Card. Now, let me give you my little backstory so you understand, kind of, thinking that I'm, someone with an 800 credit score and all that. No, I'm still building my score up. I used to have an absolute perfect credit score in the beginning. And then I did like everybody else, got credit cards. I started making cash withdrawals from them. I started spending them, and I didn't have enough money to pay them back. So I had a tremendous amount of consumer debt, which I hated. And when I did finally get my income in, I couldn't even use it because I had to pay that consumer debt. And I learned my lesson. I learned it big time about not holding on to consumer debt, not paying those fees because it's ridiculously high. And it really kind of tore me up doing that. But since I had that emotional, trip that I went through, realizing that once I had the Apple Card and once I got the Apple Card, even though I had a low credit limit, I started utilizing it a lot more and started utilizing the Apple Wallet. And that's what actually brought me up to getting more financially smart. And now I never hold balances. I pay them all off. I never have to pay the fees again. None of that stuff anymore. That ended. And so that's why the Apple Card is more than just a credit card, because it will help you become more financially smart. And eventually, for some people, they might just use the Apple Card only as their single card. And if you need that financial help, if you're that type of person that cannot control the spending or cannot, keeps wanting to borrow money and never paying it back, the Apple Card will help you in that sense. Now, yes, they say there's no fees and all that, but I can almost guarantee you, if you don't pay the Apple Card off, they're going to charge you some interest fees. And Apple warns you about that in the Apple Wallet, so you do know that. So make sure that if you use any credit card, including the Apple Card, pay them off. Think of it like cash. You spend money here, think, do I have that money in the bank to pay it? If you don't do it. It's as simple as that. So let me know what your thoughts are on the Apple Card. If you want to see more information on that, go ahead and click on the videos over here and click on my playlist. And that way you can check out more information I've got on the Apple Card, because there will be a lot of changes coming through. Maybe good, maybe bad, all kinds of different things. This is what banks and credit cards do. So go ahead and check those out, and make sure if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll come back and give you guys more information.